A very good morning, friends. I hope you all are in your good health. With the growing challenges posed by this pandemic, we at All About Mind would like to take this opportunity to establish a connect via this video series and trust you would as well find this useful and new way to stay connected during these testing times. We have named this video series as No One Has Locked Down Your Spirit, Unmask Your Mind. Yes, as we see people around us, this second COVID 19 wave is aggravating mental health issues. The unexpected rise of COVID 19 cases has increased the stress levels, affected the mental health of people across age groups in our society. Neglected mental health problems can escalate and may lead to some serious disorders like depression, anxiety, panic attacks. Experts suggest that one of the best strategies for managing emotions is to name them and discuss with your loved ones. Also, if you feel you are not able to manage, you are not able to deal with the stress because of this COVID 19 wave, seek professional help. Don't suppress your emotions. Learn techniques to deal with it successfully. These are tough times for everybody, but don't let it bring you down. Don't let this lockdown lock your spirit. Through this series of videos, we will discuss here in this forum about the various ways to manage our mental health in a better manner. The second wave of COVID has struck us than expected intensity. But more than the virus, it's the fear that is even more dangerous. Yes, absolutely agree that situation outside is unfamiliar. It is tense, leading us to feel restless, anxious, worried most of the time. How to deal with it? Let's understand and relate our mindset with the help of a technique. Let's call this technique as brain programming tool. It's a tech savvy world, so let's make it more friendly and easy to understand. Let's do an experiment. Now, if I ask you what comes to your mind when you hear the term COVID 19 second wave, I suggest, if possible, note it down somewhere. Does your data say it's a deadly virus? The second wave is horrible, feeling very insecure. Anyone can get infected. COVID 19 positive equals to death. The condition outside is just terrible. Now imagine if you are talking to your own self with such dialogues multiple times throughout the day, what will be the emotional status of your own mind at the end of your day? Whatever you talk to your own self are nothing but the instructions of your own brain program, the coding lines of your brain program. I understand, I accept the data provided by the various news channels, WhatsApp, university, maybe, relatives, friends, who easily propagate fear as the most contagious disease. Now, our own perceived, highly negative, terribilized instructions plus unrealistic data provided by external factors equal to our own customized brain program of COVID second wave. Agree? Now, let's run this program. You can understand output, that is the front end. Your own behavior of such backend program will be certainly full of anxiety, fear, panicness, uncertainty, etc. etc. If possible, friends, check your emotional plot as well. Analyze peaks or would say intensity of such highly negative emotions as well as frequency of emotions, that is the number of occurrences of such emotions. Definitely one will say peaks were so high, frequency was just not manageable. Conclusion is, it is just horrible. Friends, no one else but you have written that program, please note it. Then, can we change this output of our own brain program? Definitely yes. If your front end is not as per your expectation, that is your behavior, one has to go back to its back end, that is your own thought process. Check your own thought process, that is the script of your own brain program. Mark the real viruses. Here, don't you really feel that words we use while writing those instructions are highly and unnecessarily terribilized? In reality, condition is really uncertain. It is hard. But if we follow experts' guideline, follow few precautions, situation is definitely manageable. Now, do you think we have a choice here to recheck each and every instruction of our brain program? You can use two parameters. First, just check whenever you are writing your own instruction whether the data I am perceiving in is based on the reality as well as rationality. If not, modify that part, filter out the unnecessary harmful data and rerun the program. Do it multiple times, as multiple programs from different walks of our life are interconnected with this program. For example, career, interpersonal relationships, your daily routine. So many programs are interconnected with this COVID second wave program nowadays. Check the new modified output for the new program. Don't forget to keep on updating your system. Friends, let me know after trying this what you get as part of your new output. Expecting your feedback. Also write to us if you have any doubt or query. We will try and answer all your queries in our next video. We'll soon come back with another practical, easy tool to deal with the stress because of COVID. Till then, stay happy, maintain emotional hygiene, don't let this lockdown lock your spirit. Use masks whenever stepping outside, but don't forget to unmask your mind whenever you are with your own self. Thank you.